Have you ever dreamed of living on a street that feels like it belongs in a storybook? You're going to want to see this property. Welcome to 690 First Avenue East North in Kalispell, a home tucked into one of the city's most beloved neighborhoods, where the trees are tall, the neighbors wave hello, and Lawrence Park and Buffalo Hill Golf Course are just steps away from your door. This charming 1939 home isn't just full of character, it's full of updates where they matter and potential where it counts. With 3 bedrooms, 2 stylish 3/4 baths, and laundry tucked right into the primary suite, this home makes life feel simple and functional. Whether you're whipping up a favorite meal or ordering takeout from downtown just minutes away, this kitchen is fully equipped and spacious. And while the home's been lovingly improved over the years, you'll still find original hardwood floors just waiting to be rediscovered under the carpet. Let's talk updates. New windows throughout, updated electrical and plumbing, and a high-efficiency gas furnace with new ducting. But what I really love is how the sunroom catches the afternoon light. It's the kind of room that makes you slow down and stay a while. Need space? The garage has been extended to fit 4 cars. Yes, 4. Bring the skis, the bikes, the boat, and still have space to spare. Outside, you've got new sod, underground sprinklers, and a fully fenced yard, vinyl and chain link to keep both pups and people happy. So if you're looking for a home with heart, history, and a location that locals dream about, come see 690 First Avenue East North. I'm Holly Naldrett with Keller Williams Realty in Hidden Homes, Montana. Let's make this storybook setting your next chapter.